Hey guys, it's Julie with Julie's Designs. Today I went garage sailing. The weather is super nice over here and I only went to 2 garage sales, but I found some really great stuff. I was super excited. I found that over the past maybe 6 months, my business has taken a little bit of a shift. I used to sell just pretty much all hand painted signs. But I think since I started doing my Facebook Live sales, that's kind of when the shift started. I've been selling lots of stuff that I call smalls, like little home decor items. I love finding antiques and upcycling them. And since I started like doing videos and showing people the stuff and what I would do with it, I've been able to sell that stuff. So that is so exciting for me because that is my favorite thing to do. I love going find just stuff at garage sales and just being able to transform it. I do still do the signs and that is fun, but they're just not as unique as this and fun as this other stuff that I enjoy doing. So I'm gonna show y'all today what I bought, and then I am going to go and work on them right now because I have a show coming up in 2 weeks. You'll see like all my stuff in the background. I'm getting everything set up and done and getting ready for that show. So none of this stuff is going on up in the attic. Actually, I haven't been doing that anymore since I've been able to sell this stuff. I get it and I redo it right away. So I am not hoarding this stuff. It's getting fixed up and shipping out of here. And the trick to getting the kids to go garage sailing, in case you're wondering, is you bribe them with donuts. So our garage sale trips always involve a stop at the donut shop. So if you want to go garage sailing, that's what I would recommend. Get the kids up and say, oh, let's go get some donuts for breakfast. And then, stop at a few garage sales along the way. I mean, they'll catch on to your trick, but they still come for those donuts. They might want a little bit more, but they'll still come. All right, so first thing I paid $1 for this. Is just a jar. It probably had a lid at one point, but it's a great tall shape, and my plan is to use this as display for my rolling pins. So at my sale, I'll put the rolling pins in here. I should be able to fit at least 4 or 5 of them, and you'll be able to see the rolling pins through the glass, but then they'll still be like, nice and displayed and organized. Then I got this chair. Now, at this sale, I don't know what I paid for everything because what I did was I made a bundle. Nobody else was there. It was a little bit later in the day. So I made like a little pile of the stuff I wanted, and I'm like, what's your best price on this stuff? So I got a little bit of a bundle deal. So I got this old chair. It is definitely old, and it needs some TLC. So my plan is to paint it white and style it for a bathroom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a shelf on the bottom. I'll probably take off these spindles. They're not necessary. This chair is very sturdy. I'm going to take off the spindles at the top and put a shelf at the bottom and then put a basket on it. And then this kind of ladder back is perfect to be able to hang some towels on. So I'm going to paint it white, distress it, and style it for a bathroom, and no doubt this will sell. It'll double as cute little storage for your bathroom and a place to sit. Okay, this was the best find of the day, y'all. I was so excited. Guess how much I paid for this thing? $2. And when I saw it, I was like, ooh, I don't know. I'm going to have to take all those candles out. But look at this. They pop out. So for sure, this is going to get painted white, probably. And I'm thinking what I'm going to do is leave every other candle in. And then like maybe style it with some greenery. So like greenery candle, greenery candle. I'll see how it looks once it's all painted, because I'm not liking the colors of these candles now, but I think once it's painted white, it'll all look good together, especially once I I put some greenery with it. So I think that'll look cute. I just don't think we need all these candles. And I think if I didn't style it, people would be like, what am I supposed to put in there? So I'm definitely gonna style it, candle greenery, and I think that will be good. I was so excited about this. I wonder what these cost brand new. It gotta be a lot. So cute. Okay, I'm keeping this one. I think this is the only thing I'm keeping, but look at this thing, how amazing. cast iron, so cute. I did not pay $15. It was in my little bundle. I love this, and it's really not that heavy for black iron. That's cute. This is going in my outside kitchen. It will look good in here. I got this big old basket. I know it's kind of like Chinese looking or something like that, but like look at all the pretty texture on here. This stuff looks so good painted white. What I do is I use my spray gun to paint this kind of stuff, and it takes no time at all. And I might lightly distress it, but not too much. It's gonna look great painted white. And it's a nice big storage piece. The top comes off, and you have like these 2 tiers of storage right here. So you can store stuff in it, or you can just leave it out if you want. But I paid $5 for this, and I'll probably sell it for around $40. That's gonna look great painted up. These also look great painted. Colanders are like these little things with holes in it. Once you paint it up, and I'll put some like jute handles on it, and then it just makes a cute little basket to put stuff in. This would look great with fruit, or in a bathroom with some towels. Very cute. I'm gonna probably color, maybe paint it like a spring color, because it's gonna look great for spring with some lemons in it. I think I'm trying to style all my stuff for the show. That way, I find everything sells better when it's styled. And what I do is I'll put a price on everything. So like if there's greenery in there, if they want the greenery will be a separate price, and you just kind of style everything together. Unless it's like just a few sprigs of something, then I won't add a price onto that. But if it's like a whole bouquet of stuff that's styled with the piece, then I'll put a price on that. I don't know what this is, but look how cute. I hope it's not like a bedpan or something. It might be that. But so it was probably like this, but I'm imagining it like this hanging on the wall with some greenery. I'll clean it up. It has like dirt and stuff on it. I think it is a bedpan because there was an enamel bedpan right next to it, but this one's just the right shape and doesn't really look like a bedpan. The other one was obviously a bedpan. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna attach a hanger on the back and put some greenery in this, and this is so cute. I love this. Trays always sale. I paid $2 for, I have 2 big trays. This one's gonna get painted white, and then I think I'm just gonna Mod Podge some paper on here. I've been using lots of like book paper to Mod Podge onto my stuff. I just think it's such a cute farmhouse look. It looks good with all my spring decor, so I've done a few pieces with that, and I just love them. So that's the plan. I'm gonna paint it and Mod Podge some stuff, since like there's this perfect little ledge right here. And then this is another tray I got. This one is nice and big. I am also going to paint this one, but this one I will probably write something right here. But it is a great size, so this would work in a bedroom, this would work on a coffee table, this would work on a kitchen table, a kitchen island. So I'm gonna find like a nice neutral quote, like something that could work in different rooms to put on here. That way I'm not limited. If I put a kitchen quote, then it would be something they would have to use in the kitchen. So I haven't decided what I'm gonna put on it yet, but I'll definitely find something very neutral. This is a great size. It has feet on it. Let's see if it has a price on it. No price. This wood, it'll look great. Painted, lightly distressed, and paint a quote on it. This bench is so cute. It has little spindles. It has an upholstered top, and I checked to make sure I can take it off. So the plan for this little bench is I'm going to paint it. I have this great deep farmhouse green color that is perfect for year round. So I'm going to paint it that color, and then I'm going to use my drop cloth that I've been using a lot on my projects. I am going to reupholster this with drop cloth and put paint a farmhouse grain sack stripe on it. in the same color that I'm going to paint the bench. I probably will not distress this or anything. I think it'll look good just in that green color and just that grain sack stripe. So it'll be like farmhouse, but not too rustic. And I think it's going to look great. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you love DIY, inspiration, home decor, painting, or just love seeing what I'm up to, go ahead and subscribe to Julie's Designs and Signs.
Thanks for watching and give this video a big